Today is quite something. It does hurt. Sometimes I do regret my decisions. I just stepped on ice and my feet went right through. I'm going to bail. I'm not feeling it. And I'm smiling, but my right foot, she ain't smiling. No. Hey guys, welcome to Czech winter. It is in full swing now. I gotta say, the road was pretty treacherous. This is pure ice. You know, one thing I struggle with is pacing, and as you can imagine, it especially is important in the winter, right? You don't want to sweat too much. It's hard to not sweat on a hill like this. It says that there's a trail cam looking after this. Right, the road is pretty icy here from the Forest Service trucks. Time to put on the crampons to make the hiking so much safer and easier, right? That little mountain is our next goal of today. Whoa. Today is quite something. I'm very glad I came out today. Well, cloud forest roads in the mountains is a luxury I didn't know existed, but my luck is about to run out because we are heading there. Snow makes it so much harder. Oh my god, that is deadly. It does hurt. That looks so yummy. That looks pathetic, you know. So we are right on the border with Slovakia, of course. And this is technically and practically the only place in Czech Republic where you can run into bears. The Carpathian Mountains, right? They end here. Not right here, but in the country, you know. But the bears are very, very rare. There's few sightings every year, mainly in the spring, and they are hungry and looking for food. So I was never really worried about them, not here at least. That's the old border stone. There's one more and then it continues, but sometimes I do regret my decisions. I should keep in mind that snow hiking is much harder. Here we are, 1061 meters of elevation on this little beautiful mountain. Beautiful view. Okay, I am proper tired today. You can maybe hear it in my voice too, but today was a challenge. But there's a spring nearby. I plan to cowboy camp tonight. Should be clear sky with little to no wind. Just a little bit further and we shall arrive at the famous Goat Ridge. It's not famous, but it is for me. It is one of my favorite spots. Situation update. Not good. I just stepped on ice and my feet went right through. Now it's completely drenched and cold. We're almost at the spot, but we'll see what to do next. Oh my god, that is so cold. It sure is beautiful though, even with wet cold feet. I don't know what to do. Either I make a fire or I bail. It's not too far from here. Well, I have decided I'm going to bail. I'm not feeling it. I'm really tired. My foot is freezing off and it's been only like 10 minutes. So I don't want to risk my foot, you know. I ain't filming Survivor Man here, you know. I'm not doing a survival challenge. Oh yeah, I made the right decision. It's getting real bad now. And when it comes to winter backpacking, I'm still very much a newbie, you know. I only did like 3 trips last year. You know, sunsets are so beautiful in winter. The color is quite a bit different, I feel. But today was a beautiful day, nevertheless, and it was a challenge in itself. Crampons are the best. It always leaves me in disbelief. This road is pure ice. It's the little things, right? Especially on a day like this. And I'm smiling, but my right foot, she ain't smiling. No. So it is 4 p.m. and if it wasn't for such a clear sky, it would be almost pitch black by now. Almost. I love my little shitbox Toyota. I do.